So let's take a look at the FNO 360 powered by 5paisa. And for that, Sajid is now joining us. Over to you, Sajid.
Thank you, Ankita, for that. Let's look at what's happening in the Nifty. Nifty is clearly about the 24,200 level with some action coming in the last 30 odd minutes, where we've seen a lot of put writing happening at 24,200 levels there. The open interest is up nearly 1.78%. Of course, there is shorts which is also getting built up as we speak in the Nifty there. With the Nifty continues to be at a discount there as we speak. Nifty Bank, if you look at that, it's pretty flat in today's trade with open interest up nearly 2%, but there is some shorts which are building up in many of the stocks. But if you look at the constituents, SGC Bank is standing out with some long positions getting added there. ICC Bank, Axis, Kotak is seeing some short covering, but ICC and Axis are seeing some shorts getting built up. PSU banks are also seeing some shorts getting built up. SBI, Indus and BOB and PNB all seeing some shorts getting added into this trade there. Look at what's happening in the put and calls. You have 24,200, which is the most active, with a lot of put writing which is coming in, which also pushes up the put call ratio for the Nifty as we speak. And if you look at the distribution there, clearly the Nifty 24,200 is where it's giving a good support for the market, at least for now. There is some put writing which is happening at 24,300 and 400 levels, with some resistance coming at 24,500 there, but 24,200 strike is the most active. Futures gainers include stocks like Colgate, Suzlon, ASGC, AMC, where we have seen some long build-up happening. Stocks up between 4 and 6%. If you look at futures losers, you have stocks like Kalyan, HDFC Life and MCX, where we have seen the short build-up happening, and the stocks are down between 3 and 5% in today's trade. Open interest gainers include stocks like Godfrey Phillips, Cochin Shipyard and Motilal Oswal. Again, longs getting added there, with Godfrey adding nearly 40% in open interest, Cochin adding nearly 20%, and Motilal adding nearly 11% in open interest positions. Among the losers, you have Angel One, where we are seeing some shorts getting covered. Polycab is seeing some short covering happening. Angel One, and then you have Keynes, where we are seeing some long unwinding which is happening in this stock. Most active call today is ITC 310 April call. The stock hovering around 309 as we speak, with 34.82 lakh contracts getting added in ITC as we speak there. So very active strike coming in from ITC at 310. But on the put side, you have Wipro, which is at 200 April put, where again the open interest is up nearly 21 lakh contracts, and the stock hovering around the 200 level for now. The stock down nearly 5% in today's trade after a bad set of earnings that came in there. But there's a buyback at 250 rupees per share that may bring in some support going forward for the stock. So overall, the index is hovering about 24,200 levels. Keep and watch on that strike as put and writers slug it out in the second half of the day.
All right, thank you so much, Sajid.